To make a picture frame, I found a thin branch that's as thick as my thumb. I then cut it equally into 4 pieces. Since it's thin, I used yarn and cut it into 4 strings. I used square lashing to tie the first 2 sides. I repeated the same process on all 4 sides until I created a frame. It looked a bit bare and I needed something to hold a photo with. I found buhok ni Maria and cut a few strands. I simply wrapped it around vertically first and then horizontally. Instead of a picture, I gathered some leaves to weave into the frame.